Hello and welcome to my website. Now this is just a quick introduction video for me to say hello and welcome and thank you so much for being here. It truly means a lot to me that you've clicked on thegymstarter.com and you're willing to have a look around. Now right above my head you'll see a black banner that says click here to get a free calorie and macro calculator. And it's true. Added to that you'll also get 2 workout manuals and my book, 27 Ways to Faster Fat Loss, which I have right here, the 2nd edition. If you want all of that, then please just send me a friend request via the form on my website, and it'll be an absolute joy to connect with you in that way. Now, as you probably know, I'm an online personal trainer. I work with clients all over the world. I'm currently based in Australia on the Gold Coast, and I work with people in America, in England, in Europe, all over the world. And I wanted to use this little moment of time, this video, to show you some of the things that my clients experience when they work with me. Each and every week, I get them to fill out a weekly form and they summarize what they've been up to, what they've been discovering. And I wanted to share some of their responses with you so you can get a feel for what it might be like to work with me and how I work with my awesome set of clients. Although they're not really clients, they're more friends, which means a lot to me as well. And so in no particular order, here are some of the responses to give you an insight into what you might experience if you decided to work with me. Shirts that I gave to Sam because they were too small, I've taken back because they fit me again. Bought a new pair of jeans that is 2 sizes smaller. I'm learning how to meal prep for work and chose my snacks wisely. I made it halfway to my goal of 50 push-ups. I did 25 push-ups to failure. And being able to be home early was great, and being able to do my workout without taking much of a break was a great achievement. What has made you proud of yourself this past week? I'm proud of how far I've come since I started this journey, both physically and mentally. I feel much less stressed about so much involving nutrition, and I now realize and embrace that some movement is better than none. Making small changes and implementing them daily and not focusing on outcomes has really helped me in all aspects. I'm proud that I went out and enjoyed myself and knew what to eat to make me feel my best. Even though I overate one night, I felt zero guilt about it. And it was still a fairly nutritional meal. Just ate too much of it. I didn't have the start over again on Monday mindset anymore. Again, what non-scale victories? I uploaded my work in progress pictures and did my measurements again. I've lost a total of 18 inches all around. I think my squat form is improving. I feel like I'm getting more out of them now. I started waking up at 5 AM every day to try to start building more of a routine for myself. I really enjoyed doing the workout and being done before the kids even got out of bed. You don't have to get up at 5 AM if you work with me. Let's face it, getting up at 5 AM isn't for everyone, is it? Looking over the last month, what have you discovered about your movement? That I'm stronger than I thought, and that it's getting real fun to work out. What has been your biggest sign of progress for this month? What are you most proud of? My relationship with food has changed. When I overeat, I don't feel disgusted with myself. Just move on. If I have a less nutritious day, I don't try to overcompensate with the next meal/day. I feel less and less guilt being associated with what I eat. It's very freeing. And then there's this one. What has been your biggest sign of progress for the month? What are you most proud of? I can lift Danny easily. Bit of context here. Danny is her partner. What greater gift can you have than being able to do something like that when you hug somebody you love? Looking over the last month, what have you discovered with your nutrition? My body is becoming more sensitive to less healthful foods. When I eat fast food, I don't feel very good. I imagine that I never felt very good when I ate it, but it was such a regular occurrence that I didn't notice. Now when I eat home-cooked, more balanced meals, I feel better both physically and mentally. What has made you proud of yourself this past week? I can now fit into shirts that I couldn't fit into 6 months ago. I drank a lot more water and got jeans 2 sizes smaller. I lost another 2 pounds. What has been your biggest sign of progress this month? What are you most proud of? I moved up to 22.5 pounds for goblet squats and dumbbell rows. I didn't lose any muscle progress after not working out all month, and also I lost 4 pounds. I enjoyed the fact that my energy levels improved and my focus. I enjoyed being able to move around the gym with less hesitation and embarrassment. I did have to ask a guy how much the bar was lifting on the bench weight, but he was nice about it, so that was a positive experience. The beautiful views on my short walk/stretch on top of Valley Pass the Colorado picture I sent you. On the days that I could, I loved getting outside to walk. I was proud of myself for self-committing and getting into the pool. Believe me, I tried to talk myself out of it. The outside walks were wonderful, but the success on lifting more weight felt amazing. I loved that I was able to complete the weight workout all the way through. I enjoyed the fact that even though I was very self-conscious in the weight room, I put aside and did my work for me. I loved the yoga stretch workout. I even extended myself some grace for not being able to do it on the floor and having to do it with significant modifications. I completed what I could, the way I could, and that is enough. I'm all about working on the process with people. And then whatever results come along as a result of that, we can celebrate. Whether that be lifting heavier weights, whether that be losing body weight, whatever your goal is, I'm sure we can build a process to help you discover that. What I love about this collection of responses from my forums is it really fleshes out how I work with people in a client-centered manner. And you can see the progress they're making in their day-to-day lives in balance with everything else that they have to manage. That's why I call myself the Gym Starter. That's why my program is called the Strong and Confident Program. Because as you can see, my goal is to make people feel stronger and more confident about all aspects in their life, not just losing weight and lifting heavier weights in the gym. There's more to fitness than that, and it would be an absolute joy of mine to be able to help you explore what fitness can mean for you. Oh, and there's one other one I want to share with you. This is from my client who's a politician in the UK, and he likes to prod and poke me, and he likes to test me sometimes, so he sent me this. If you can't have fun, what is the point in doing anything at all? So please have a look around my website. Head to my blog, read my work. I think you'll find some amazingly useful tips in there. If you want to work with me one-to-one online, then just hit the coaching tab on my website and send through an application form, and I'll be in touch as soon as I can. Thank you so much for being here. It's my job to make you feel strong and confident, and I can't wait to start doing that with you.